Okay, so this is the CiT Blaze. It's one of the cheapest RGB cases on Amazon, which is still like 50 or 55 pounds, something like that. So I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of this one, and then I'm gonna do in a different video, if you check on my channel, gonna be basically combining my test bench with some new equipment that arrived, and we're gonna put it all together into this box. So this is the green version, that's the red version, there's a red version as well. But yeah, let's have a look. Right, the case itself is already quite heavy without even adding anything, probably because of the glass. Okay, let me just move to this side. So, here we go. So this is detachable. There's space for 2 fans, 120. So the glass panel with this detail that I'm not really a big fan, which is basically the screws, and then basically the glass is out. It feels like it's not in the right place really. There's a glass on the front as well, 3 fans, and this one already brings another 3 fans inside, so there's 6 fans in total. Let's open it up just to check it out. Okay, the glass isn't fell, but yeah. So most of the weight really is from that glass and the front glass. And of course there's 6 fans, which is gonna weigh something. We got lots of... Jesus, you could have put at least like a splitter or something. There will be a lot of cable management to do here. Okay, but we can kind of connect them one to another. Okay, we'll go into this later. So let's open it at the back just so you can check it out. Alright, so the metal on the back, it's clearly like that cheap type of metal, so it's nothing really special, but then again it's one of the cheapest cases, so we can't really have high expectations. Plus it's from a brand that never heard much about it. So on the front we have 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0. We have a power button, the reset. This one doesn't have the one for the light, or do we? There might be a way to somehow show the light, because there's a light LED here, but if this is the reset, it's gonna be a tricky one, because you're either resetting or changing the lights, which are 2 very completely different things, but I'm probably wrong as well. So we'll find out very soon really. Right, so the bottom, not much to say. So you can see the power supply from here. The glass doesn't really cover it. And then you have your normal space for your 3.0 or 3.5 HDDs. I believe this is where you put your 2.5 SSDs, just here. What else do we have here? Lots of connections, that's for sure. And it comes with a speaker. Okay. Alright, if you want to check out the video of reassembling or basically putting together these 2 pieces, that computer and some other pieces, and we're gonna put it all into this case, and yeah, we're gonna try to make it look good, and yeah, check out the other videos.